We got my big head in.
Success.
That's a giant cool pack.
Now we got ice.
It is ice. All right, get your alcohol out. That's Gigi's tea, by the way.
Yeah, this is not simply lemonade. It's Gigi's sweet iced tea. Nobody make it like me. So there. The whole process. We're gonna make it.
And there it is. Do you like it? Thanks, tuners. We appreciate you being here.
This is how I'm going to turn water into
wine?
Do that.
Are you Jesus?
I mean, you call me Jesus every now and then.
Sorry. All right, go ahead.
But I do not identify as Jesus.
Yeah, we're gonna hear about that in the comments. But go ahead. That's gonna be the topic.
Oh. Our recipe calls for lemonade, so we're going to make some Weiler's Light pink lemonade. 0 sugar, so drink this all day long.
Do you have to take some of it? Do you have to take a little bit out of it?
Probably.
Well, I mean, I was gonna do it, but if you're okay doing it, you go ahead. It's more important that you're hydrated than me.
Like I said, pink lemonade. Pour it right in there. Shake it up, baby, now.
Go ahead. Shake it up, baby. Is this... Okay.
All right, you go ahead and shake it.
Oh, yeah, you start the other part of the...
Yeah.
What are we calling this?
That ball that used to shake when you... What was it called?
Oh, what was that called? The ball, the electric...
Yeah.
Shake it.
Shake weight.
Right.
That was it. Yeah, right. It went like this, right? And the person always looked like something really weird. Yeah,
Oh,
it's an interesting commercial. Anyone remember that in the comments?
No. Oh, okay. In the comments.
In the comments.
2 hands.
So far
All
we've got Jesus and the shake weight.
All right. So we're making 3
Ooh.
iced tea drinks.
What are you gonna call it? Though?
I don't know. What did we decide? We're gonna call it. We're calling it the Berry Palmer.
Aaron has reminded us of what we're gonna call it.
This is called the Berry Palmer.
Did you say the Berry Palmer?
Did you?
Talking to mine. Talking to my microphone.
It kind of look like we're making out.
We did we? Beautiful.
All right, hold on. I'm putting some more ice in there.
Okay, top it. Hey,
like
what's the rule when you make a drink, folks? Aaron, do you remember my rule when you make a drink? Very important rule. Don't
float the ice.
Aaron's going.
Did you get it? All right,
Don't float the ice.
All right, you got your lemonade mixed up well.
Yes,
All right,
lemonade
good.
is kicking.
Start off the Berry Palmer. We're going with some Smirnoff. Some Smirnoff blue raspberry iced tea.
Do it. I am flaring over here.
This?
I am endlessly flaring.
Your catch.
Oh, wait. Yeah, go ahead. Do it. Throw it. I'll catch it. Throw it.
Well,
Do it. Let's do a trick. Let's do a trick.
You both have to do it at the same time.
Come on, do a trick.
So you throw it to her.
Oh, God, no.
Okay. Yeah, you're right.
Whoa! Very nicely done. You even flipped it. Oh, sorry. God.
Oh, God, no. I don't have to shake the vodka because it's already mixed. It comes pre-mixed. Right
Thank
here.
you for clarifying that.
But we are going to start with some blue raspberry lemonade.
I'm getting seasick. Anyone else? God, Jesus.
Well, we are on the Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan? All right, what do I count to?
You can count to whatever you want on these.
No, I need to know what to count to.
I would count to half full. And I know everyone agrees with me. Half full. Look, they're beautiful right now. You know what? When we pour the tea in there, they probably aren't going to be so pretty.
Tony's. This one's Tony's. Because we're going to bring him to his knees.
Whoa, 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 whoa. And not going to my knees.
And ignore this simple lemonade.
Why are you ignoring that? Is they not sponsoring us?
because this is not what's in it.
Oh, it's
This
not.
is-
You're right. It's not. That's your tea, not
This
Simple's.
is Teresa's Southern Sweet Tea. We're gonna fill this up.
3/4 way, and then yeah, chase. Oh, look, stop right there. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful right now. I mean, it's not gonna probably look that pretty when we're done, but. And I'm gonna top it off with the pink lemonade.
How cool is that? That's already looking cool.
Master mixer.
Whoa.
Oh, nice. That
How
was nice.
about
I
it?
should have like caught that the way you. Yes, that was nice. All right.
All right, so we vacuum sealed our lemons and froze them.
Available in our link down below.
Yes, they are.
The vacuum
Works
sealer.
really good.
All right, I'm gonna mix them up while you do that.
Okay. Which one? Sorry. Well, damn, you're making a mess.
I am making a mess, but you know me. All right, Aaron, here you go.
We gotta
Oh.
drink a little out.
Teresa, I think you did that really well. I'm looking Barry Palmer. Oh my God. Oh, come on.
Pretty dang good.
Yeah, they don't suck.
They
Pretty
do
dang
not
good.
suck at all.
Cheers.
Cheers, my love. The Barry Palmer tuners. Good to see you again. I know we've been gone for a hot minute. Don't forget to check the link down below, like and subscribe. We'd appreciate that.
And tell us how you like your berry palmer.
Yes, float the ice or don't float the ice.
Or do you put berries in it? Or
Is she Jesus or?
he says it all the time.
See you next time.